Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making Mediterranean chicken. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have olives and grape tomatoes, olive oil, capers. This is chicken thighs, trimmed and salt and peppered. What I'm gonna do is get a baking pan down, and you can use a seal pad, parchment paper, but I'm using aluminum foil. Just makes for a nice cleanup. And you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we're gonna set this aside. We have this, basically a griddle. We're going to get that over medium heat. We're going to add some olive oil. We're going to let this guy heat up just a little bit. I'm going to get this chicken on here. And we're going to brown the chicken on both sides. And again, I've already dropped some salt and pepper on these bowls. Get them all in. Okay guys, we're gonna give them a flip. They should be ready to get, yeah. See that brownness right there? That's what we're looking for. Look at these capers, guys. Can you see those? They're pungent. Capers are one of those ingredients that if you just eat them, you might not like them. But once they go into a dish, they add a certain je ne sais quoi. And guys, for other fine recipes, you can go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. And while you're there, you can pick up my book. Buying my book helps support this channel. Okay guys, the next thing we're gonna do is move our chicken over to our prepared baking sheet. Now we're just gonna add those beautiful grape tomatoes and olives. And the capers. Guys, we're gonna bake this off in our preheated oven of 375 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. It's gonna be amazing. Ove Glove clutch. Boom. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. See how those tomatoes start to burst open? Look at that. So much flavor. Now I'm gonna take a little taste, guys. Yeah. To eat these by themselves, raw, they're not that great to make. But when you throw them in the recipe, yes, that's what's up. Look at that. I kid you not, this is delicious. Okay, that's it for this week. I'll see you next week. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.